Welcome to episode 5 of Crazy Constructions, where we're going to learn how to construct another line parallel to a given one. So let's review the rules quickly. You can only use a compass, straight edge. I have a ruler here, but I'll try to use the opposite side, and a pencil if you don't want to mess up your measurements on the compass. So let's begin. We're going to use the same copying the line technique we learned last episode. So first thing we do is we just draw a random transversal, straight like this. Just like that, really doesn't matter. Next, we're going to choose a random point on this transversal, and we have to copy this angle right here, up here, and then we can connect the dots to draw the parallel line. So let's do that. This is sideways, so it's a little different from what we did last episode, but it's basically the same. So you've got that. I have to make that go all the way around, just like that. You've got this, and you just got to do that. There we go. Next, we have to measure this distance. Just like this, from here to here. And we can just do this. And right there, that's our point. So we can put a dot right there and just draw a line through. I'm not the best at drawing lines through two given points, so I'll try to make this as good as possible. There we go. We've got two parallel lines. So that is how you construct a parallel line, a line parallel to another given one. I'll see you in the next episode, where we're going to learn how to divide a segment into any number of small pieces.